Clamour over Aurangzeb's tomb in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar has resurfaced. Now, senior RSS leader Bhayaji Joshi has doubled down, reiterating his position, terming the row over Aurangzeb grave as unnecessary. In fact, the leader stated that Shivaji Maharaj is their idol and showcased that India's inclusivity by building a tomb for Afzal Khan. He stated that those who have faith will visit the site and there's no need for political agitation over it. Listen to what he said.
देखिए, औरंगजेब का अनावश्यक विषय उठाया गया है। एक है, अब उसकी मृत्यु यहाँ हुई तो कब्र यहाँ बनी हुई है, कोई श्रद्धा है वो जाएंगे। हमने तो छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का जो नमूना आदर्श है, उन्होंने अफजल खान की भी वहां पर कब्र बनवाई थी, तो वो तो है भारत की ये उदारता की सर्वसमावेशिकता का प्रतीक है। वो कब्र रहे, जिसको जाना है वो जाए।
Now, MNS chief Raj Thackeray also criticized attempts to provoke communal tensions, urging that history be viewed objectively, free of caste and religious bias. Now, very important to note here that the tomb has been at the center of various controversies, with some groups even viewing it as a symbol of oppression, while others argue for its historical significance. But all in all, the debate has been reignited with that particular comment coming in. Shweta Verma joins me live. Shweta, very good morning to you. Given the fact that this statement by him, in a sense, is perhaps him doubling down. But overall, of course, this adds more fuel to the fire in a controversy that's already raged for so long.
Well, that's right. In fact, as we go through, we understand that it's a major bite. In fact, now we have seen that how the clamor over Aurangzeb's tomb in Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had surfaced. And in fact, now as we see that senior leader Bhayaji Joshi, in fact, has doubled down. And he has also reiterated that his position, terming the row over Aurangzeb grave as unnecessary. So RSS coming here and with a bold statement, the kind of controversy that had erupted on Aurangzeb and Aurangzeb tomb, that is getting a new stance that's of RSS. And moreover, the leader has also stated that Shivaji Maharaj, who did their ideal, showcased India's inclusivity by building tomb of Afzal Khan as well. So here, talking about certain higher notes, RSS leader has given fact that how India's inclusivity was also there. Moreover, he also stated that there have been faith who have visited the site and there's no need for political agitation over this. Big remarks coming from senior RSS leader Bhayaji Joshi at the given time where we are seeing the kind of controversy that erupted over Aurangzeb, moreover on Chhawa. Then there was MNS chief Mr. Raj Thackeray also trailing guns on this particular row, and this is the time where RSS also has given their stance very clear on the row.
Right, Shweta. Thank you for joining us with more on that and talking to us about how this only adds more fuel to the fire in terms of a political controversy. But for now, we leave it at that. Time for a quick break here on the Morning News. Stay with us. We're going to be right back.